Hello everybody. I am here to show off something very important. This dog. Its name is Daisy and it is cute. She has been our puppy for about a month, I would say, maybe a month. I think it's about a month she's been our puppy. Then I had the thing to detect my face, but it just turned off. So yeah, she's gonna say hi. Hi. She's kind of scared. She's always scared to do stuff. Come on, Daisy. Get up. Come on, Daisy. Oh gosh. Ooh. So that is how we do this. Well, you should, if you do not check out our channel already, I recommend it, and you subscribe, but don't watch the pinball video. If you are gonna watch it, then I recommend you watch Sorry About the Pinball video after it, cause that pinball video did not work out that good. Also, I would like to say, you can leave a link in the description if you want to see more videos. I hope to have all you guys watching our future videos. And comment if you want to see more Daisy. Cause we can make that, we can make more Daisy. We can make that happen. We can make more Daisy. We can. And she also would like to say, say something else. And she is gone now. But we got her from these people about a month back. We got rid of her old dog Diesel. We had to give him away. It's a long story. We went to the movies yesterday. I guess that matters. Alan. What? What? Shoot, Mommy subscribed. I know, I already saw. Well, thank you for watching. I will see you soon. Goodbye. Peace.